Dope, what's going on, guys? What's going on? It is hot here in Canada. What's going on, guys? I got a brand new shirt today. It's a dry fit shirt, and it's a Nike shirt. Nike shirt. Picked it up. Pretty dope. I like it. Pretty fresh. I got a shirt and another shirt. Weather check. Hot as fuck. Let's go check what the fucking temperature is. Look what it says. Almost a fucking... It's saying it's 100 out. 100! I don't know. Well, this is like 35. Fuck. 100 degrees out. Oh. Lordy Lord. Lordy Lord! It's 100 out. Fuck. That was scorching out then. But... So I went to sport check. Go Canada, go. Went to sport check, got this shirt, and then I got a sweater. Gonna put them. I'm gonna put you down for a second. So this sweater would have cost me $50. Went down to 24 bucks, but then went to about 50. It is an Adidas Climax sweater in purple. Can't really tell. My mom says purple, but I say blue. Do comment down below. I think that's purple. So, yeah. So my mom says the Climax sweater. It's on the back. Yeah. Sick. But that was on sale. I had 30 cents and I had $30 off, so I got two nice things. Got this shirt and that sweater for the winter time. Good to get things, good to get things prepared. Just in case. I was gonna get pants too, but the pants are not fit. They were snuggy. Got them under snug. But yeah, hot one here. Can't believe it's saying it's 100 out. We got an orchid. Don't know what this is. This is an orchid. If you watch Joshua DTV, he said that was his wife's favorite flower. Like whatever. This is me. Jelly hot. Looks like everyone's going to the beach. Me, I got YouTube shit to work on. I got a bunch of shit to do. For you guys, more videos come out soon. More videos for you guys. And yeah. But yeah. So, I want you guys to remember, I post videos every day till November 14th. Some are vlogs, some are random videos. So, yeah. I got a couple ideas. I got 3 ideas coming up. 3 ideas I read. I want to do. I got some Q&As I want to do for you guys. I want to put a little cover song this month for you guys too. So, yeah. I got 7... I'll tell you my video ideas. So I got Q&A coming up soon. Got my hello. I got Q&A coming out. I got 7 annoying things my mom does, 7 annoying things my dad does, and 7 annoying things my brother does. That's fucking me. So yeah, if you guys want to see like cooking tutorials, any tutorials, anything, comment down below. Maybe I'll do a workout video for you guys. And yeah. I want you guys peace, swag, Yeah, I want you guys to stay fresh, stay golden, and stay hydrated on these hot days. I don't want no one getting heat stroke. Yeah, have a great day. Enjoy your evening or night, whatever time it is that you're watching this. Remember, stay fresh, stay golden, and also stay hydrated, and also remember to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also remember to comment down below some video ideas, and also tell your friends about my videos. If you like them, tell your friends. And remember, I'm posting videos every day till November 14th. That's when I started my vlogging journey. So yeah, that's when I started my vlogging journey. I was vlogging every day I was vlogging every day, but then I got sick of vlogging, so yeah. Probably in the near future, I'll probably, like after November 14th, I'll probably take a few weeks off. Maybe give the vlogging another chance, try again. Maybe do some silly videos for you guys. And I kind of want to do a water challenge video for you guys. I'll be sick. Since it's on these hot days, I could do it. So yeah. Sorry for this rant on. I just want to let you know what's going on. Okay, so peace out. And remember, stay hydrated. Boom!